Cool, guys. We'll start then. Let others join later. See, options, future and option is something that where F&O stocks are different. See, every stock is not under F&O. So we must know that there are very few stocks under F&O. So F&O stocks, once a stock is under F&O, the stock is very good because stock have more value. Usually, most of the stocks to come F&O, there are a lot of parameters from the SEBI and NSE. So companies should follow everything properly, audits, finance, perfection should be there. Then only that particular stock will come to F&O. Now, how to analyze F&O? F&O is a big thing. So it is not about speculation here. F&O में क्या होता है? One is a futures, another is options. So futures is basically price of future price of the stock, which is a little higher or lower side of the stock, and option is basically based on the option chain on that particular stock. How you will calculate a different perspective. Like in options, there is something called theta decay. India VIX will work a lot of place on options, and different time frame analysis again, RSI configuration here, and today I was talking about money flow index, so that also play a big role in options. And you have a gamma, and understanding the time frame like expiry. So every option will have something called expiry. So there's weekly for index and monthly for stock options, and commodities are only for monthly. There is no weekly. So there are a lot of things to understand in options, and option is something, if you master it, it will give you sure shot profits, and loss should be there as per your risk reward ratio. Otherwise there is no point. So we will start with the option. So before starting option, you should be very much sure about your price action, because option trading purely works on price action. Now for option analysis, what all tools you need? For option analysis, you can see in my screen there is something called option Opstra. Hope you guys are seeing my screen. Is that visible?
Yes.
So in this option Opstra, this is a free website. So click on this, and you need to register yourself or log in through your Gmail or whatever it is. So I always go with the Google because it is easy for me to log in. And once you logged in, you will get this page. It will open in phone also. Don't download this. This is basically a broker. So Define Edge is a broker. You don't need to download this. You have a Zerodha and lot of Angel One, and already you have trading apps. So don't download this. So you will get this page. In this page, there are a lot of elements. One is your future dashboard, how future works, pair trading, how pair different screener or pair, how to build a pairs. In options, there are backtesting, simulator, strategy, volatility, open interest. There are a lot of things to understand. FII and DII data, educational purpose, how to use this particular website, and all these things. And this is absolutely free, so don't you don't need to download this website or this page. You don't need to download. That's why I just showed you. So don't need to download this. Let's go back to option Opstra. Okay, so once you get this, here you need to understand how to analyze different data. Now in options, always first you need to see a open interest or option chain. These are the basic thing to look. Now when you click on open interest, you will get something like this. So technically these are your call sides, these are your put size. Okay, how option works? The more calls, these are basically a selling data. These are a call sellers. So today call sellers were very high. put sellers were low. Whenever you are selling a put, market will go up. Whenever you are selling call, market will come down, because it is a reverse strategy of buying. If stock is at 100 rupees, if you think it will go to 120, so you will buy 100 CE, correct? Because you are a buyer. If stock is at 100 and if you think it will come to 90, you will buy 100 PE. This is what buyer strategy works here. When you are a buyer, if stock is at 100, if you think it will go to 120, you will sell 120 PE, because stock will go up, your PE value will come down, you sold the option where that premium will be yours. Same thing in a call. So here if you observe, this is a Nifty chart basically. So in Nifty it is showing highest call writers are sitting. This is the highest, 18 lakhs OI is sitting there, and PCR is around 0.03. So this particular strike price is what you need to understand. This is here 24,000. This is 2400. So between this data, so you need to understand how to analyze options. So this is not overnight, you will not learn in overnight. So please focus. Today I am only giving you the basic understanding of option chain analysis. Simple to start with. If calls are high, you have to buy. Can you tell me, if calls are high, what you need to buy if you are option buyer?
Is P.
Sorry?
Calls are high means we can buy P.
Correct, PE. If puts are high means you can buy CE. Correct. Perfect.
Correct.
Yes. Now if you observe here, there is very less puts and big calls. Matlab again tomorrow Nifty will drop, and tomorrow is the expiry. And these are the live data. See here, I can see 30 minutes time frame mein what is happening here. I can see 15 minutes time frame, and I can see this in the morning. If you observe 9:45, I saw a big drop came in the market. Now I'll see this data in 15 minutes. See, heavy call writers were there and there is no put writers. That is why Nifty was around minus 250 points today morning, correct? Then it recovered. Where it recovered? Let's see. Somewhere here this is, sorry, 15:30. Let's so today's data I need to see. Today's 11th, right? 12th. So in 12th, okay, morning around 10:15. So this was the data. That is why Nifty dropped big time. Correct? Heavy call writers, heavy. Look at the contracts, heavy contracts, and here this put were not there in the entire game. Then after 10:30 or 11:45, 12 o'clock, we can see put started increasing and market was in a range bound. Around 1 o'clock, I guess market again reversed and Nifty become green because put writers were more here. Then finally what happened, end of the day, after 2:45 again heavy call writers came and puts went down. This is what you need to see in a basic days. Whenever you are looking at the basic understanding, if a calls are high, you will buy PE. If puts are high, you will buy CE. This is very basic understanding. Coming to the strike price, understanding which strike price, what is ATM, what is ITM, what is OTM, all these things we will learn later. Okay, because I don't want to push much on this because it is very difficult subject and it might make you wealthy or rich overnight. It can take entire capital overnight. So I don't want to go very fast in this space. Equity is fine. We have finished in 1 month, and it is all about you need to practice, and that same strategies will help you here to understand the chart. Only data, OI or your option chain build up will not work. You need to do a price action. Without price action, you can't trade in options. here. In this, you can see now Nifty what we have seen. Let's see some stock. Let's see a trend for a change. Let's see trend. We will see in maybe a daily time frame. Look at this trend. Can anybody tell me, looking at this, what can happen tomorrow? Just, you don't need to be right or wrong. It's okay.
Downtrend.
Downtrend, correct? Heavy call writers are sitting here. Heavy.
Head southwest and turn right.
Let me open 15 minutes time frame. See, this is what is in 15-minute time frame. Let's see 3-minute time frame. See, this is all today's data. So, can you buy Trent PE?
No, we need to sell, bro.
Sorry?
yes.
We need to sell.
For selling one option, you need 3.5 lakhs capital.
Acha.
Selling is expensive, buying is cheap. So, in this chart, what you are making decision?
We'll take P of P. We want to buy the P because the call side is high, right?
Perfect. Now call side is very high, so you need to buy PE. Now which strike price you need to buy PE? Hmm?
That don't know actually. What trend price is going on, and we have to take that upper one. Suppose 600, we'll take 620p kind of thing.
No, open trend in your phone. What is the current price of the trend?
Just give us.
535. See this line, the center line will tell you ATM strike, at the money strike. So this is 5,300. Now you try to open up. Okay, let me open option chain and I'll show you here how this works. This is basically OI buildup. This is max pain. So max pain is at 5,400. But 5,400 PE, how much it is now? 5,400 PE?
Let me open option chain.
Around 234 rupees, one lot, which is around 23,000 rupees, one lot.
Okay, correct.
Correct. Now what we will do, we'll see what is the nearest price is 5,200. So let's see 5,200 trend PE, which is 123 rupees. 12,300 per lot. Correct. So now
Yes.
we have the plan. Now, when you have a plan, Trent is a stock. Trent is under which category? Nifty 50.
Correct.
Now you saw Nifty 50 call is high. Trent is also high. It means there are very good opportunity for a PE tomorrow or maybe this week. Once you observe this, now let's open option chain for Trent. Okay, so this is something big thing to learn here. So that is what I'm saying. Today I'll give only the overall basics of options. Then we will go step by step. What is theta? What is IV value? What all things we will go later. Now again you need to observe from tomorrow whatever you learned today for the basics. Now you saw trend. Now you know if call is high, buy put. If put is high, buy call. Correct? That is clear, right?
Yes. Brother, I have one doubt actually.
Hmm.
So today you are seeing the trend, everything, and you have to plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be changed, right?
It will change tomorrow. So this is see this option analysis is for a live market. You can't plan today for tomorrow's trade. You can't.
Okay. Mm.
So you think that is what I wanted to show you. Once is all classes done, I will ask you one single question. Suddenly Raghu will send a message buy this PE or CE and suddenly it flies. So how much time you need to do R&D on looking at option chain, option data? This is exactly is like you're driving your car. In the beginning, you need more time. Now you don't need more time. Just by looking at that, you will understand whether it will go up or down.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so see, in this is called option chain. So this side is calls, this side is puts. Simple. So you need to see diagonal. Now 5300 is a ATM, correct? Because it's in a center. The stock price is 5235 rupees. This is called spot. Spot means kya? Your chart, your live price. The future price is this, future lot. For option price is this called LTP. Both the side LTP is there. So if you are buying 5300 CE, it is 133 rupees. PE is 172 rupees. You have to see diagonal. Now in this option chain, a basic understanding is which side highest people, highest contracts are sitting. Now today OI change in lots which is added. This is current yesterday's figure 2002-25. Now 337 is added, and today it came into 3177 contracts added. This is a volume, heavy volume sitting on a call side because people sold calls. See here, P people exited. Can you see this 5000 PE?
Yes.
This is called they exited. The more number exited here, the stock fall further. Okay, I'll show you Nifty so you will understand it in an easier way. See, this is Nifty chart. In a Nifty chart, high, see 30 lakhs contracts volumes are sitting on a CE side, 26 lakhs sitting on a PE side. So tomorrow is a question, who is going to give up? The beautiful part is here, see, these all minus 8,000, minus 2,000, minus 10,000, all minus, matlab PE guys are exiting their position. Correct? That is why Nifty came down today. See, heavy contracts added here. I know that it is very confusing. Lot of questions. Please ask.
Bro, here you are saying PE is getting exited, the people's like 8,000, 2,000. If their exit means tomorrow market will be push up or down.
No, they are exiting because why they sold PE? Because they think market will go up. They sold PE. This is sellers data.
Correct. So
Correct.
that means, yeah.
Now see,
That means
now
tomorrow market may go up.
no, 22,900 PE. They sold for 30 rupees because they think if market is going up, this 30 rupees will become 20, 10, 0. So they will make the profits, correct? Correct? You're getting my point. Now,
Okay.
the CE guys, they sold for 191 rupees because they think market will further go down. So 191 will become 180, 150, 100, correct? Because it's a C. So these guys will make money. Now these guys exited because of that short covering came today. Morning it was 290 points down, Nifty.
Correct.
Then recovered. That recovery came because of these guys. They thought, okay, abhi market will go up because of some news. They all exited their position. Correct. This is today's data. So you need to see this data in a live market. Then you will understand it faster. So these many guys exited their position. That is why these prices went up. CE side. So this is called short covering. You must have heard, no? Long build up, short covering, all this jargons. But 23050 is the ATM. Above that, still people are sitting. Matlab, they want market to go up. But when you calculate all these numbers, These numbers are bigger than these numbers. Can you observe? C sellers don't want market to go up. They want market to come down because they sold heavy lots here. OI in lot C, 81,000, 43,000 lots. This is lots. Think if anybody can just open 23050 CE in your app. Can you guys do that, please?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Yeah, 23050 CE. Tomorrow's expiry. No, mute canvas. Okay, now click on sell. How much capital is required?
23050, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, one lot is 77.75.
Hmm.
You are saying C said, right?
No, 23050 CE. Yeah, CE. 83.
Is 88 rupees.
Correct. Click on sell.
It's saying 1,90,000.
1,90,000. Put this number 41,854 lots.
41,854 into 1,90,000.
Hmm.
100,000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore, 10 crore, millions, billions.
Then we are nothing, right, in front of these guys. Correct, no? We are nothing, right, in front of these guys.
Correct.
These guys control the market. That I'm saying only one guy, okay? This I'm saying only
Correct.
one strike price I'm saying. Every strike price there are people. And we will say, okay, market will go up, we will buy this hero 0, our 88 rupees will become 0 like this. Because these guys are playing in millions.
So if this becomes 0, then these peoples get profit, right?
Exactly. Reverse. They already invested 1 lakh, how much you said?
It's a billion, 7 billion, something.
No, 1 per lot. I'm just,
1,90,000, 1,90,000.
you already
9.
see how option works. I'll explain you in a simple thing. Now, if you are a buyer, okay, if you are a buyer, option buyer, you will only invest 88 rupees into 75 quantity, correct? 1 lot size.
Correct.
Correct. So you have a risk of how much per lot? If you're
6,600. 6,600.
yeah, so your risk is only 6,000 rupees.
Correct.
If that becomes 0, you lost the 6,000 rupees.
Correct.
If you are selling this 88 rupees, you already paid upfront 1,90,000, whatever the number. You already paid the upfront price. So your risk is lesser because if 1 rupee comes down, only 75 rupees goes down.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
If 88 rupees, you sold that call, you invested upfront 1,90,000 rupees.
Correct.
If this become 90, your stop loss is very small because your capital is so big.
Correct.
Correct. That is why when this become 0, if anybody can do 80 into 75.
80 into 75, 6,000.
So for him, for investment of 1,90,000, his profit is only 6,000. But it is highly possible profit because he invested big money. If this goes ulta, this 88 become 100, okay, 20 rupees. So his loss is very small comparing to our loss.
Okay.
You guys are getting my point?
सर यहाँ कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है
हाँ?
प्लीज रिपीट
ओके अजीत जी देखो, इफ यू आर बाइंग सीई, आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है पर लॉट? 6,000 रुपीज.
जी जी
करेक्ट. थोड़ा इधर उधर मूवमेंट हुआ तो भी यू माइट मेकिंग अ लॉस ऑफ 1000 रुपीज और बिगर लॉस, करेक्ट? Because your investment is small. When you're calculating a percentage, 6000 rupees investment के लिए 1000 loss is a huge loss, correct?
करेक्ट.
Same thing if you are if you are in a seller side of option, for the selling 88 rupees, you have to invest 1,90,000 rupees, correct?
जी. करेक्ट.
For 1,90,000 rupees, 2000 loss is the big loss?
लेस कम है.
Very small loss, correct?
हम्म.
So this is where option selling comes in a play. So this guy will make money for sure because stock कितना भी movement हो, there is something called decay. So decay का profit the sellers always take. I know Ajit, Mastan have a lot of doubts. I know that. But it's okay. You should have doubts. Correct?
लॉर्ड बोल.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
And you
सर जैसे ये 88 रुपये 40 हो जाता है,
हाँ,
तो सेलर को फायदा होगा, हम लोगों को तो घाटा दिख रहा है. एकदम नीचे चला गया.
exactly. So बड़े लोग ऑप्शन सेलर्स है, हम जैसा छोटे लोग ऑप्शन बायर है.
जी.
And trust me, can you tell me very openly, honestly, आज तक आप लोगों ने ये सब देख के ट्रेड किया है क्या?
ये सब देख के ट्रेड किया होता तो लॉस क्यों होता वो?
नहीं सर, इतना डीपली नहीं देखा है, बस ऐसे ही देख लिया कि कॉल राइटर ज्यादा है तो नीचे जाएगा. लेकिन वो सर लाइव मार्केट में कभी कभी मूवमेंट बहुत तेजी से चेंज भी होता है ना, तो वहां फिर कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. बस खत्म गए.
करेक्ट.
मैं ऑप्शन से में जाता हूँ जहाँ पे जो जीरोधा में एलटीपी है ना,
करेक्ट.
जिसका थोड़ा हाई रहता है, मीन्स थोड़ा जो लाइन रहता है ना, ऑरेंज कलर लाइन, करेक्ट? हाँ, जिसका हाई रहता है मैं उसके ऊपर ट्रेड करता हूँ, दोनों साइड.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है बताया है? वेरी गुड पॉइंट अजित. यू नो द प्रॉब्लम, द डेप्थ जीरोधा में, एंजल में आप लोग देखते हो, वो बायर का दिखाता है.
ओके ओके
ओके,
हाँ.
हाँ, वो दोनों बायर है उधर. आप सी साइड का ज्यादा है, मतलब बहुत लोग सी दबा के ले रहे हैं, पी साइड का ज्यादा है, मतलब लोग दबा के पी ले रहे हैं. आप भी ले लो, आपको भी प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा, फिर एग्जिट हो जाओगे.
करेक्ट.
ये डेटा सेलर्स का है.
ओके.
वो डेटा तुरंत चेंज होता है, देखा है? बिकॉज उधर हमारे जैसे चुट्टू मुट्टू लोग ही आते हैं, 10,000 15,000 कैपिटल वाले, दो लॉट लेते हैं, उधर नंबर चेंज होता रहता है.
करेक्ट.
इधर है ना, एक लॉट के लिए 1,90,000 चाहिए, मतलब अब 10 लॉट लोगे, यू नीड 19 lakhs. आप सोच के ट्रेड करते हो इधर.
करेक्ट.
तो ये डेटा उतना फास्ट चेंज नहीं होता है. एंड ये लोग होल्ड करके बैठते हैं, महीना होल्ड करके बैठते हैं. कुछ लोग है ना, नेक्स्ट जून जुलाई का ऑप्शन लेके बैठ जाते हैं. इधर मैं दिखाता हूं, देखो.
तो इनके लिए एक्सपायरी नहीं है.
इसका एक्सपायरी है अभी, ये सेम है. दिस इज, वी आर लुकिंग एट 13 फरवरी, करेक्ट? कल का एक्सपायरी 20th, ये 27 6 मार्च. मैं 27 मार्च का डेटा निकालता हूं. देखो इसमें लोग, देखो कहां बैठे हैं भाई. पी साइड देखो, हैवी लोग बैठे हैं. 22% पी सेल करके बैठे हैं 98 रुपीज में. देख रहे हो?
अगर पी साइड ज्यादा लोग हो तो कॉल इंक्रीज होएगा ना.
एग्जैक्टली. बट ये कब का है? 27 मार्च का है ना. व्हाट विल,
करेक्ट है.
सो 27 मार्च को स्टॉक मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा नहीं जाएगा, दैट इज, बट वी आर बायर्स, वी आर ऑप्शन बायर्स. हमारे पास इतना पैसा है,
नहीं है भाई.
36,000 लॉट्स into 98 rupees into 75 quantity. It is in millions. सो
सर हम लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं है, लेकिन असली गेम तो ये लोग सेलर लोग खेलते हैं ना मार्केट से, इनकी माइंडसेट इनको समझना है।
सेलर से ही चलता है, सेलर्स ऑलवेज कंट्रोल द मार्केट। ओके 13 फरवरी, ओके हमने निफ्टी देखा, लेट्स सी बैंक निफ्टी देख लेंगे कल। अभी बैंक निफ्टी का एक ही एक्सपायरी है विच इज 27 बिकॉज मंथली है, करेक्ट। इधर देखो बैंक निफ्टी का डेटा देखो, ये एटीएम है, ये देख के आप इमीडिएटली देखिए व्हाट यू कैन से। बोलो।
both the side they have sold.
हाँ रेंज बाउंड।
Range bound. Like even in P side also they have sold. In call side also they have sold.
बट विच साइड हाई नंबर इज हाई?
कॉल साइड।
कॉल साइड,
सो
कॉल साइड नेगेटिव में है ज्यादा।
हाँ, सो बैंक निफ्टी क्रैश होगा। ओके लेट्स सी मिड कैप निफ्टी। भाई एटीएम, हाँ इधर है। देखो क्या दिख रहा है?
यहाँ पे कॉल साइड थोड़ा ज्यादा वॉल्यूम है कंपेयर टू।
फुट साइड इधर देखो कुछ छोटे मोटे लोग ही है, इधर देखो बड़े बड़े लोग बैठे हैं।
करेक्ट। तो
आपको डायगोनल देखना है, okay? ये साइड ऊपर वाला देखना है, दिस साइड नीचे वाला देखना है ऑलवेज, बिकॉज ये एटीएम होता है। डायगोनल देखना है। नाउ लेट्स सी वन ऑफ द स्टॉक, एक रैंडम स्टॉक उठाएंगे कुछ।
यूपीएल यूपीएल यूपीएल
यूपीएल, ओके
हाँ आज बढ़ा था थोड़ा।
ओके गुड। यूपीएल आज ऊपर गया था।
आज आपने दिए थे ना एक 2 दिन पहले 640 का सील दिए थे।
हम्म
5 रुपीज था और 12 रुपीज में क्लोज हुआ है।
कितने में?
5 रुपीज था मॉर्निंग में।
ओके
यूपीएल 640 सी फरवरी का 5 रुपीज था एक्चुअली। 4.95 गया था लेकिन क्लोज हुआ 12 पॉइंट समथिंग में।
ओके ओके, क्योंकि इधर देखो एग्जिट है,
करेक्ट।
इधर देखो सी भी एग्जिट कर दिया।
लेकिन कम है, करेक्ट।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, व्हेन यू कैलकुलेट दिस नंबर्स, सी दिस लुक 70, दिस लुक्स 50, यहां है 104 माइनस में है, इट इज 67 माइनस में है।
तो इसका मतलब आपका ओवरऑली सी में थोड़ा बेटर है, करेक्ट।
एग्जैक्टली, दिस इज इंट्राडे मोमेंटम दिया था ये, बिकॉज ये मंथ एक्सपायरी है।
If I think both the side is minus and it's a range bound type now, bro.
This is because it's a closing numbers, Nagraj. Live market numbers are different.
Okay.
Okay, let me try to इसमें नहीं होता, go back करने। यूपीएल है ना, वेट
Yes, yes.
लेट मी ओपन इंटरेस्ट देख लेंगे ना। हाय प्रियंका, यू जॉइंड लेट।
Yeah, I was having some problem with the connectivity, but now it's working. Sorry, I'm late. 20 minutes late.
No problem, I have recorded anyway, so
Yeah, I'll just do a revision and call you with all my doubts.
yeah.
Cool.
This is thank you. UPI, Nagraj, UPL. Let me open 15. What time, Ajit, it was moving today? Any idea?
एक्चुअली मैंने बाई किया था अराउंड 12 o'clock 11 o'clock।
Okay, 11.
5 रुपीज में।
ओके 11 o'clock का ही टाइमिंग्स देखेंगे तब। ओके 11 o'clock 12 फरवरी है। देखो कॉल हैवी था, पुट कम था,
करेक्ट।
इसके लिए पीई ऊपर क्या?
नहीं, सी लिया था मैंने।
ओके आप
देखिए कॉल साइड आपका हाई है।
करेक्ट,
कॉल साइड ये
इधर हाई था 11 o'clock को। रुको आप उसके बाद क्या हुआ देख लेंगे, 11:30 देख लेंगे। हाँ देखो पुट साइज ज्यादा हो गया, इसका मतलब स्टॉक ऊपर गया।
करेक्ट।
करेक्ट, इसके लिए सी साइड ऊपर गया। सी दीज गाइस एग्जिटेड देयर पोजीशंस। -32 देखो, माइनस
Sorry, brother. I buy EPL at 9:47
9:40.
and sell it 9:47. Sell it 3:08 p.m.
देखो इधर ही है ना, put was high.
Correct.
And these guys, if you see, guys, click, you don't need to click, just hold your cursor on this. ये देखो minus call OI data, it shows minus 47. Correct? It is, what is the strike price? 731. Okay. इसके ये देखो 6, ये भी -7 है. ये 945 को सब लोग माइनस कर रहे थे, इसके लिए ऊपर गया. And around 10:15 there were more puts added on ATM.
Correct.
That is why. Now closing में क्या हुआ? Let's see. Closing में call were high, put were less.
Correct.
If I'm looking at daily time frame, it is in a range, not much momentum. We'll see any other random stock. Zomato देख लेंगे. Wow, जैकपॉट मिल जाएगा यार, पी लिया तो. There is no put at all. Correct?
Correct.
Zomato. Let's see option chain in Zomato. Today is just a basic what I want to tell, because otherwise it is very difficult to understand options. अभी क्या बोलोगे Zomato का देख के? यहाँ देखो डेटा, दिस इज OI चेंज एडेड, ये वॉल्यूम 9000 है, इधर वॉल्यूम ही नहीं है पुट में. हैवी सेल ऑफ आ चुका है.
तो जोमेटो पी में आज थोड़ा प्रॉफिट होता है, राइट?
100% होता.
But bro,
हम्म.
when I open this Zomato ना, C में market pick up हुआ है, C call में.
What time?
No, if you look at 10 a.m. it was at 6 rupees 70 paisa. By 11:45 it went to 13 rupees 80 paisa.
Correct. This data is a closed data.
Okay.
Live market data will be different. See why it went up. See here, these guys exited 255 PE. People exited. This is what happened in a live market.
Because the volumes are more na here, that's why I'm worried.
Correct, because you're right. In Zomato, if you click there, and there is something called option chain also, if you observe, the PE side is not there. Now there is CE side.
Correct.
But in intraday time frame, okay, let's open Zomato ka open option chain only. Open interest. I'll show you that.
It went to 206
Correct.
and ended.
Look,
which means
candle.
Correct.
Okay. Open. Okay, this is daily time frame. Sorry. I will go 15 minutes time frame. So morning, look at the data when market opened 9:15. Heavy call were sitting.
Correct.
9:30, put started increasing. 9:45, ATM strike changed.
Any bother.
9:45, 11:15. See, put CE slowly started dropping. See here, if you see Max Pain, I'll come to Max Pain and all later. Max Pain was around here, maybe it went a different side. PCR is oversold. 10:45, 11:30, 12. See, red candles are increasing. Observing.
And
But bro,
330 there
compared
is
to
a
PE side, CE only is more. But still, CE is only went up now.
They're holding for an entire month, no? It's a monthly expiry.
Okay, no. But see, by looking this chart, usually if it is green candles are more, we need to go for the P, right?
Correct.
If P is more, we have to check with the CE. But
Correct.
here, when I'm looking, C only is more here.
Correct. Because it's a closed data.
No, when you drag the timings now, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and all those things, but still it is C only more because when C is more here, we need to take a option from P side, right?
Correct. Observe again. I will drag and show you. See.
Ah,
See now here. Observe this red candles. Don't look at the green candle.
mm-hmm.
Okay. These small red candles are this side. These also are intraday candles. Okay. These bigs are holding. See, this data is big. Volumes are holding. Now I'll drag it. See the red candles moved up. See. 1 minute.
No, when we see in this chat now, we'll become a confused because when you say like green, we need to look at only P side now. When we look at this only green candles are more, then we'll take a strike in the P side. Then it will be confused now. That's why I'm asking you.
How confused? Rule number 1, price action.
Mm-hmm.
So what price action said?
Okay. Price action, price memory we need to check.
Correct. You need to mark support and resistance.
Mm-hmm.
What is RSI saying for Zomato at that point when you're buying the stock? You can't simply decide by looking at the option chain, no?
Mm-hmm.
So it is a total cumulative effort. Price action, understand the chart, check RSI, check support and resistance, check the base, check the volume for a stock, not options.
Correct.
Once all this done, you have a clarity whether the stock is going up or down. Then look at the sector. Zomato comes in FMCG sector. Look at the sector. Look at the overall market. Then you come to option chain to understand what is the buyers and sellers on what strike, whether it's ATM, ITM, OTM, which strike have a momentum. Then you will decide the entry by looking at the option chain, because these all things will keep changing every minute in a market.
Okay.
That is why I don't want to give every detail today. It is not possible. You will be super confused. Same.
Zomato
Same.
210 P. It's the low is your 3.65 and high is 8 point something.
Correct. What time?
It is the initial period only. Time is the chart is supporting what chart you are showing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when it opened, right?
Correct.
It was 5.5 and it went to close to 9
Correct.
till 10 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Then after 10 it came down actually.
Hmm.
The P. Then after that end it will down close at 4.25.
Okay.
Mhm.
See, this is the strike price. 240 CE was here around yesterday this is 12th February. Okay, this is today. You were saying it gave a momentum from here, then it went up and came down. This is 240. Which strike price you said?
210 PE.
210. Okay, let's see. 210 PE. $210 CE.
PE.
10 PE. 4 rupees it was.
Yes, at for 10 or 11 o'clock. Before that one, it was high, right?
Yes, correct. See here.
It went to,
It
when
yeah.
it opened, it started with 400 something, 4 point something.
Hmm.
It went to close to 9, 8
Yeah.
point something.
After that it came down 4
Then
point.
after,
Closing at 4 point.
correct, correct. Because the closing candle is high, the green candle means Zomato price is increased.
Yes.
That's why P went down, right?
Yes, correct. Correct. So what we will do with the, especially in options where it coming to a Nifty, Sensex, especially Nifty and Sensex, what we focus more, we will try to analyze live market. So be active in a group. I'll send you message to check a particular strike price for 1 week at least. So you need to check, understand chart, understand everything, and there is something called in this website, something called portfolio. Okay, and here if you want to learn, there is something called paper portfolio. In this you can take a trade. Now this is Nifty, this is, I'll change to option 23,150 CE. I will take 2 lots. I will add my position for tomorrow.
It's a kind of dummy.
Yeah, it is a paper trading.
Okay, okay.
So this is my maximum loss is 36,000 because 2 lots what I bought. Break even I need 23,394 somewhere in this between, and estimated margin what I need to invest is 36,488. So you can do the dummy trading here. You will understand if CE goes up, you will make profit. 23,387, somewhere 300 400 points it goes, you might get 21,000 profit. If it comes back, you might lose profits. So observe this and try to learn option chains from here, because currently it is only the learning time. We don't want to take any risk in market because market is not in a position to give money. So you can do the same thing for any stock also.
What about MCX?
MCX, I was looking at
I
MCX.
mean, for commodity. No, sorry, MCX means commodity. We can see it here.
No,
Okay.
the commodity is not there, like crude oil, no.
Correct, correct, correct.
I think I never tried. Let me see. No, it's not there. So for crude oil, you need to see on the app itself.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you something. In a crude oil, when you click on crude oil, there is option chain only for the future lot.
Correct. That is available in our trading view, right?
Correct. Trading view is also available. Your Zerodha is also available.
Yes.
Currently, it is in a range bound. I sent one screenshot in our group. See, both the side people are sitting. That is why there is no momentum. So don't worry, don't go to commodity now. Commodity is a different subject altogether. Maybe after one more month, we might go to commodity. Now,
Right.
focus on basic open interest. Check what is going to happen. These are all the numbers: spot price, future price, lot size, PCR, max pain, and modified max pain. See, there is a small difference. Max pain was 2300 for the whole day, but modified is for the last moment who bought or sold. Like if I'm looking at the 3-minute chart, when you click on 3 minute, you can see whole day here. Like around 12:45, what happened? Morning 11:48, how was the chart? 10:48, what was the chart? See, morning drop came here, heavy calls, and here somewhere market started going up. So these guys added their position. You can see the data. See, observe here, put was down, puts added, puts added. So this is how stock went up. Put came down because these guys exited their position. That is why Nifty also came down here. So more down. Around 3 o'clock, both are holding their positions for tomorrow. Put again up, and the closing time, this was the data, but still heavy call writers are sitting. Cool. Yes, अजीत जी, आप भी फुल कंफ्यूजन.
सर मैक्स पेन मतलब निफ्टी हैव अ मैक्स पेन टू ब्रेक 23,100. दिस मीन
करेक्ट. सो हाईएस्ट पेन वो पर्टिकुलर स्ट्राइक में होता है विच विल गिव अ बिग एंड फास्टर मूवमेंट. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? अजीत जी,
रिपीट सर, रिपीट.
ओके. मूवमेंट आता है ना मार्केट में, मार्केट में मूवमेंट आता है, लाइक वन बिग रेड कैंडल, वन बिग ग्रीन कैंडल, ये सब होता है ना. सो हाईएस्ट मोमेंटम आता है ये मैक्स पेन का स्ट्राइक प्राइस में. हाईएस्ट मतलब वो 50 रुपए 500 भी बन सकता है, बिकॉज वो
23,100 अगर टूटेगा तो वन ग्रीन गुड कैंडल बन सकती है.
हाँ नहीं, 2300 सीई एंड पीई. आप
ओके
2300 थोड़ा भी टूटेगा, लाइक अ स्मॉल मोमेंटम ऑल्सो कम देयर. 2300 भी नहीं चाहिए, अभी 23050 से ही थोड़ा निफ्टी ऊपर आने दो. 2300 सीई विल गिव यू फास्ट मूवमेंट.
ओके
अंडरस्टैंडिंग माई पॉइंट? अभी देखो 2300 सीई सोचो 50 रुपीस में है. 23,200 सीई 100 रुपीस में है सोचो. द मूवमेंट मार्केट 23,050 से थोड़ा भी ऊपर नीचे होता है ना, ज्यादा मूवमेंट आपका 2300 का स्ट्राइक प्राइस में आएगा, वेदर इट इज पी और सीई, बिकॉज दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मैक्स पेन स्ट्राइक. बिकॉज मैक्स पेन स्ट्राइक में क्या होता है, सेलर्स विल हैव मोर एक्यूमुलेटेड लॉट्स देयर, सो वो लोग फास्ट एग्जिट करते हैं दोनों साइड में.
ओके तो उसके प्राइस में ज्यादा वेरिएशन होगा और जल्दी होगा.
एग्जैक्टली, दैट विल गिव यू फास्टर मोमेंटम.
ओके ओके
So the main art for a option buyer is the understanding what strike. Isn't it? Option anybody can buy, no? But understanding max pain कौन सा होता है. अभी देखो, अभी कोई भी स्टॉक देखो आप, आपका जीरोधा में ओपन करो अभी चाहिए तो. I'll tell you, let's open
BSE सर.
okay click BSE. BSE क्लिक करने के बाद नीचे जाओ, उधर ऑप्शन चेन बोल के है, क्लिक करो.
ओके
उसमें 3 ऑप्शन है, LTP, OI एंड इन्फो. करेक्ट?
करेक्ट.
So click on info.
ओके
You look at what is the max pain here.
5300
अभी जाओ वापस
एलटीपी में जाते हैं.
LTP में जाओ, 5300 का CE एंड PE दोनों वॉच लिस्ट में डालो.
ओके
अभी CE 5300 CE है ना, 229 रुपीज 50 पैसा में लॉक हुआ है.
करेक्ट.
वो सुबह when market opened it was at 100 rupees, man, come on, wow, 28 गया है.
100.55.
Yes.
It went to 284.
Correct. What else you want more than that? वही अभी स्टॉक BSE का था 5339. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, हमारे पास कैपिटल कम है, हम लोग क्लिक करेंगे 5800 CE.
Yeah, that mistake I am doing.
हाँ, एवरीबडी डू दिस मिस्टेक. अभी देखो 5800 CE जाओ, 57 रुपीस है. वो 20
सबका
में था सुबह,
correct.
बट मोमेंटम
सर सर सेफर साइड हमको सर इन द मनी या एटीएम लेना चाहिए ना.
एग्जैक्टली हम इसके लिए अभी देखो सुबह 5313 अभी ये क्लोजिंग का प्राइस है. सुबह शुरू हुआ 5000. अभी मैं अभी का एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं. सो सुबह शुरू हुआ तो लेट्स गो विद द 5000 CE.
और सर मैक्स
तो-
पेन भी शायद चेंज होता रहता है ना.
हाँ, होता रहता है वो, बट एटलीस्ट 15-20 मिनट में एक बार होता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्राइस मोमेंटम.
एग्जैक्टली.
So
But-
brother, try to what? Yeah, go ahead, please go ahead. Sorry.
मैक्स पेन चेंज होता है व्हेन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्ट्राइक प्राइस एंटर्स इनटू OTM. टिल द टाइम दैट प्राइस ऑफ द स्टॉक एंड द स्ट्राइक stays within ITM and ATM, max pain will not change. Yes, Ajit ji. Ajit, yeah, you were saying something.
अंडरस्टैंड सर. जब कंसोलिडेट मार्केट होता है तो मैक्स पेन बहुत देर बाद चेंज होता है, और अगर मतलब वॉलेटाइल है तो 15-20 जल्दी जल्दी चेंज हो सकता है.
हाँ, बट बहुत कम है. देखो एक बार मैक्स पेन रुका वही जगह में, मतलब द मोमेंटम विल कम. बिकॉज क्या होता है, मैक्स पेन इज द स्ट्राइक प्राइस वेयर बोथ द पीपल आर सिटिंग, C एंड P वाले सेलर्स. ओके.
ओके.
अभी मैक्स पेन चेंज जल्दी जल्दी हो रहा है, मतलब फास्टर मूवमेंट हैपनिंग इन अ मार्केट. उधर हम लोग थोड़ा स्लो होना चाहिए बिकॉज वी आर अ बायर.
एग्जैक्टली.
ओके, ऐसा नहीं होता है. सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी. मैक्स पेन एक बार आया मतलब उधर एटलीस्ट 1-2 घंटा रुकेगा वही जगह में. बट दिस वर्क्स ओनली इन योर स्टॉक ऑप्शंस. व्हेन यू गो टू इंडेक्स, उधर आप क्या बोला वो सही है, बहुत स्पीड मैक्स पेन चेंज हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑप्शन इज वेरी फास्ट इन निफ्टी, सेंसेक्स.
एग्जैक्टली सर.
बट ये सब चीज आप सीखोगे व्हेन इट इज इन अ लाइव मार्केट. Ajit, you were saying something. Sorry.
Yes, no, bro. Yeah, actually that max pen, right? So at 9:15 we can see what is the max pen is there and how we mark for BC right now. 5300P and 5300C.
You can see
We can do it 9:15, right? Hello?
Yeah. Audible. Tell me.
Yeah. So how we mark for it BC, right? Just now.
Correct.
5300 max pen or
Correct.
make put liya or C liya, right?
Correct.
So at what time you are seeing this one at least? At 9:15 morning time.
Yeah.
Stocks.
The moment stock opens, option chain opens.
Okay.
It is in a live market. The moment stock market opens, this data will come.
Okay. So that time also you can mark and you can have a look, right? How
Yeah,
it's
you can do
giving the momentum.
Sometimes see sudden spike. That is why within 10 o'clock we close the trade, right? Most of the time.
Correct.
Momentum will come there because see BTST people, stock sellers, I mean PCR like put call selling ratio, these all changes within that 1 hour. उसके बाद there is no momentum in market.
Correct.
So ऑब्जर्व करो अभी निफ्टी उड़ रहा है. हाँ,
सर मतलब वन थिंग आई ऑब्जर्व, मतलब जब से ये मतलब लॉट साइज और ये एक्सपायरी चेंज हुई है सर, मूवमेंट ना थोड़ा अब 10:30 के करीब आता है सर. आपने भी सर थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्व किया होगा.
करेक्ट. बिकॉज ये बड़े लोग हैं ना, थोड़ा लेट उठते हैं.
हाँ सर, जो भी रीजन हो.
नहीं, वही रीजन है. बिकॉज वो लोग क्या करते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर बिग पीपल, बिग शॉट्स, दे विल सिट एनालाइज फर्स्ट 1 hour इन द मार्केट, उसके बाद एंट्री लेते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
बिकॉज उनका एंट्री मोटा एंट्री होता है. सो दे विल टेक बिग साइज ट्रेडिंग. ये छोटे लोग 2000 10,000 वाले सुबह 9:15 को उनको तुरंत पैसा चाहिए.
एग्जैक्टली सर।
दिस इज द मेंटालिटी. बट ऑप्शन बायर फास्ट पैसा करता है when there is a good momentum. Volatility should be there. Momentum up down हुआ तो ही आप पैसा कर सकते हो in option buying. If there is no momentum, then best to become option seller because you can use opportunity for a decay. So that is the same example. 1,90,000 invest में 6,000 loss is not a big loss, correct?
सर मतलब ऑप्शन सेलर में उनके फेवर में डिके कैसे हो जाता है?
होता है. अभी देखो आज कल तो डीके होना ही है. दूर का एक स्ट्राइक प्राइस ले लो. अभी कहा है निफ्टी बोलो 23,045 करेक्ट. 24,000 सीई बेच दो. हाँ, वो 1,000 पॉइंट तो निफ्टी नहीं जाएगा कल. वो तो 100% श्योर है, जाएगा ही नहीं. ओके गिरेगा तो कहां तक गिरेगा? 20,000 का कॉल सेल कर दो. अरे 20,000 3,000 पॉइंट थोड़ी गिरेगा कल. So option selling is a game changing. Only thing is that you should have a good capital. When you have a good capital, option selling is only the place where you can make money. Option buying क्या है ना, आओ ऊपर जा रहा है कैंडल सी उठा लो 20-30 पॉइंट करो बाहर आ जाओ. नीचे जा रहा है एटीएम पी उठाओ 30-40 पॉइंट्स करो बाहर आ जाओ. बट ऑप्शन बाइंग में उल्टा चला गया तो कैपिटल ऐसा खत्म हो जाता है. करेक्ट अजीत, आपको तो पता है.
करेक्ट. जितना कम है
पता
उतना
है सर,
चला
मुझे
गया.
भी पता है।
सो हाईएस्ट लॉस होता है ऑप्शन बाइंग में. सेलिंग में लॉस नहीं होता है, वेरी कम लॉस. बट पैसा भी उतना चाहिए. वही मैं बोल रहा ना, व्हेन यू हैव 1,90,000 रुपीज, losing 5,000 is very small percentage. But when you have only 6,000 rupees, losing 1,000 rupees is a big percentage. So your homework now, sorry, your homework now, look at the live market, check the chart, understand the price action for it, whether particular stock is going up or down, then come to option chain, understand which side C or P is sitting, what is the max pain, what might happen if I buy this strike price. So note it down. At that price you note it down, look at the chart, do everything. Don't trade, just do it. Select one index per day, 2 stocks per day. So you need to send these 3 things for next 1 week. I am sure that you will learn lot of things. एक इंडेक्स, कोई भी एक इंडेक्स ले लो, बैंक निफ्टी, मिड कैप निफ्टी, एनीथिंग, एंड write it down. Which strike price, why, what is the chart, and what strike price you are buying, whether you are buying CE, why. Now 10 o'clock hai, I am buying CE at 30 rupees. You see after some time you keep your target 40, 50, whatever it is. You have a CPR, use the CPR for the targets, observe, then you come back. Do this homework. 3 things what I am asking, 2 stocks, 1 index. Is that fine? Can we do it?
Yes, we'll try.
Yeah. Only it will take hardly 15 minutes time to just analyze. And you're sure shot you can do your trading. I have no problem. Use your risk reward ratio. But yeah, we will learn a lot of things in options. And it is not rocket science, and it is not easy also. It is very simple. So there is some difference between simple and easy. Cool guys, done. Then we'll wind up.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Sir, please send the recording